Thanks for watching our videos, and welcome to our channel Power Health. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to receive each new. The 7 uses of milk of magnesia or white magic for the skin that you did not know. Milk of magnesia can help you in many things, both health and beauty. This type of milk is well known for being a very effective antacid and laxative, but it has many other uses including calming the skin. That is why in this article we collect different uses of milk of magnesia for the skin, where more than one will be very useful. So read carefully, and if any use is useful, do not hesitate and apply it when before. Different uses of milk of magnesia. 1. To improve heartburn and as a laxative. This is the main function of milk magnesia. Ideal for when you feel heavy after you have eaten, and excellent for going to the bathroom when you suffer from constipation. 2. To eliminate excessive sweating, replace your usual deodorant with milk magnesia and apply it in the armpits. Let it dry before putting on your clothes. Do it every day for 1 or 2 months. 3. To improve oily skin and clarify, in matters of beauty has been considered as white magic because it serves to lighten spots on the skin. It is used before makeup. Apply it on the entire face for 10 minutes or until dry, and remove it with cold water. This causes the pores to diminish and control the fat, preventing your skin from drying out too much. Do it every morning and before bed. 4. To clarify the bikini area, excellent bleach for the bikini area or any other areas such as armpits, elbows, or knees. Mix half a cup of magnesia milk with a spoonful of baking soda and the juice of a lemon. Apply it in the desired area before sleeping, let it act all night and retire the next morning. Do it every day for a week. The second week you will begin to observe results. 5. To remove dandruff or oily scalp, it is used to control excess fat, thus eliminating dandruff. Mix 1 cup of milk of magnesia, 1 tablespoon salt and the juice of 1 lemon. Place it alone on the scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes giving massages, then wash the head regularly. 6. To soothe irritated skin, it is ideal for irritated skin in babies. Apply it on the baby's nipple and let it dry before putting the diaper on. This soothes and prevents the irritation that can cause the diaper. It can also be used in adults for after depilation, applying it in the depilated area for 10 minutes and then remove it with warm water. 7. To relieve burns, very effective to calm the burning sensation on the skin. For this use it is necessary that this cold. Put it in the refrigerator before using it. We hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to share it with your friends and family. If you do not want to lose any of our videos, click down on the subscribe button. Here we leave you some videos that can be useful. Thank you very much for your visit.